So this is the second part of my submission. DeltaWing F-252 A5 was an amazing plane, but now we are going to do for the A5, which is also an amazing plane. It's very easy and it flies really well. The flight test will be shown in the other video. So start by folding the right edge to the left edge. Like this. Now what you want to do is take the center, to the center, from the top to the center, like this. So you're making a triangle. And now do the same from the other side. Like this. Okay, now you want to open the triangles up, like this. Okay, now what you want to do is fold from this corner to this corner. So fold down and just find this corner and do the same on the other side. Find this corner and just make a crease. Okay, now what you want to do is open it up and make a crease. So try to find this corner right here. This corner is what you're looking for. And these triangles make it easier, like this. So find the corner and then go from that corner to the bottom right corner. Okay, and you want to do the same thing on the left side. So find this corner, only crease to this point, by the way. Okay, and you want to crease all the way to the bottom left corner this time. Okay, like this. And you just want to go back only to this corner, like this. And now you want to fold back down these corners. So now you want to take this center, like this, and squash fold it so that this line lands up along this crease that we made. Like this, so you can see the line goes all the way down, and fold back across the center crease, like this. Do the same thing over here. Try to land this like over here. Okay. Now what you want to do is you want to fold this over and fold this edge in. It should go slightly beyond the corner. As you can see, it does. It makes a small edge. Do the same thing on, fold these flaps over. Do the same thing on this side. Except make it reach all the way to the center crease. And again, it has it goes slightly over the corner. And now what you want to do is you want to open everything. First you want to, open everything up. And now open all of it up. But first you want to make a crease from these 2 points, like this. Okay, now open the entire plane up and just reverse this crease. Okay, now we can go back into the shape of the plane. So fold down on these triangles and squash and squash. Okay, so now all you need to do is find this crease, and now what you want to do is take this edge and fold it to the second. If you can look closely, there's 2 small edges right here. If you can see 2 small folds, you want to make this edge land on the inner one, the one closer to the middle. It's a little hard to see on the camera, but you should see that there's the one that first goes from this point to the corner, and that's the one we just made. The one that makes this, the one that goes slightly away from the corner. You want to go to the one that goes slightly away from the corner. And your edge should not go through the corner. This is a sign that you've done it right. It goes the teeniest bit above the corner, and just fold like this. And you can see there's a slight but here, we're just gonna leave it like this and do the same thing over here. So again, just make sure that when you take this edge, there's 2, the one that goes through the corner and the one that's slightly inside. You want to take this edge and go to the one that's slightly inside the corner, like this. And you just want to tuck this like this. Both go in like this. And then you want to make these they should have these small edges. Now what you want to do is just take this edge and tuck it under the rest, like this, and do the same thing over here, like this. Like this. And you should see we have a beautiful looking plane. which is very aerodynamic. Look, you can see how good these layers look. Okay, now it's time to mount and fold the plane. And we are going to do the same thing like last time, just making sure, as you can see, the wings go like barely, like maybe a millimeter or two above the, and you want to start maybe very close to the nose, like just maybe very little. And then you want to go you just want to go parallel to the fuselage, but like leave a very small gap. And just make sure you smoothen out the front. Make sure you smoothen out. Just make sure you smooth it the end, and make sure both sides line up. Start at the same position and just smooth out the entire plane and the crease. And there you have it. That is a finished DeltaWing F-252 A5. You can see this plane is absolutely amazing, just like its companion. And hopefully you see the flight tests to see how good flyers they are. Thank you for watching.